Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is for all the noodles lover out there. If you are craving for an instant quick yet a restaurant style noodles, then this video is just for you. Keep on watching. The links for all the other recipes are given in my description box, so do not forget to check them out. They are as quick and simple as they can be. Stir fried noodles tossed in a deep dark caramelized sauce is what you need to satisfy your noodles craving. In a pan, add in about a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil gets heated, add in chopped up dried red chilies. Wait till the chili releases its aroma. Next, add in one chopped onions. Saute it for about a few seconds, and now add in minced garlic and tomatoes. Now saute them for about 1 to 2 minutes. You do not have to brown them. Add in a minced chicken and cook this off till the chicken changes its color. Salt as per your taste. Now I will add in coconut sugar, or you can use brown sugar. The funda here is that we want a deep dark caramelized color. If you don't have brown sugar handy, then you can definitely use white sugar. In that case, you have to add a little bit more of that soya sauce. So I will highly recommend you that you buy the dark sweet soya sauce, also known as ketchup menace. Saute it for about 1 to 2 minutes, and now it's time to add in the oyster sauce. Add in about 2 tablespoons. And now the main ingredient is the dark sweet soya sauce or ketchup menace. You can get this online on Amazon. Add in water just to form a sauce like consistency. Now add in the boiled noodles. I have just added a pinch of turmeric while boiling the noodles, and that is why you see the yellow color. I also have a detailed video on how to boil noodles perfectly, and I will link it in the I button above. Now mix in the noodles very well so that the sauce coats every strand of the noodles. And lastly, the ingredient that goes in is tomato ketchup and a little bit of water just to coat everything nicely. And you see that dark deep caramelized color on the noodles. That is exactly what we want for this recipe. And keep on watching for the presentation. Now serve the noodles onto a serving plate, and next top it up with the minced chicken and the dried red chilies so that it looks presentable. This noodles recipe is simply heaven on a plate. Garnish with some grated parmesan, or you can grate in some cheese as well. And the final look of the dish should be something like this. Noodles recipe cannot be any simpler than this. You saw how quick it was. So do try this at your home and let me know your feedback on my Facebook page given right here. And also Instagram handle is given in the description box down below. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it, and if you do so, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.